What's up, SweeTees? It's TeeElle, baby, and I'm back with
another one.
Hit that subscribe button. Come on and join the
fun.
Hi guys, today we are taking over our mom's channel.
That's right.
And we are making snow globes for our dad. So I have Jake from Subway Surfers. And what's your name?
Amir.
And Amir has...
That's right, yeah.
From...
the movie.
The movie Toy Story. And we have my Build-A-Bear Stitch and she's Christmas theme. And yeah, so we have some
faux snow,
and we have some glitter ribbon. I have silver and Amir has blue.
Wait,
and you need these little ball things.
This is like the size, and this is like glue over here.
Yep.
And
you need these little globe things that you can open so you can put the snow in there. And you need a hot glue gun and hot glue sticks.
Yeah, guys, and
some baby oil and water. And make sure you comment and say, "Hey, T-Kids." And make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. Let's get into it.
Okay, first you're gonna unscrew your globes like me and my dad. Put your lids right here.
Now we need to take these little things off.
Yep, you have to take them off.
I'm a deer and
I can't even open it myself.
You got it, there you go. Just keep going around pulling it open. All right.
Got it open.
Take your papers out.
I gotta help my brother.
Oh, stop. Hi. Hi, Jake.
Oh, gosh.
Oh, gosh.
Okay, we got those off. We're taking the papers out. Oh, these smell good. I don't know why.
Is it mine?
Yeah, this is ours. So I got mine. I'm gonna put mine over here. I'm gonna put these things over here. And put the papers over here.
Got those open?
Yep.
All right, now
We got the baby oil and the water.
you want to pour your snow into your snow globe. You can decide to use all your snow or a little bit of your snow. It's your choice if you want to use all your snow or a little bit.
Mommy, fall down.
I know, it's going to get messy. Here, I'll hold it and you can pour it in.
Messy.
So, ooh, bless you. Ooh. Do you want to pour all of it in there?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna do the same thing.
You sure you want all of it? That's a lot.
Ooh.
I think that's good.
How about logo?
All right, put your lids on. Where's the plastic pieces? We need your plastic pieces.
I'm gonna put it up.
These?
Yeah. So lay them flat and you want to open up your characters next.
Okay.
Open up your
I wanna see
Buzz
what-
Lightyear.
I like this.
Let me know when you're done opening up Buzz Lightyear, guys. Your Buzz Lightyear and
Jake from Subway Surfer.
There.
Yep, that's it. I'm gonna put this up in there.
Oh.
Oh, okay, I'm ripping this.
Whoa, look at him. Sweet. Mommy, I'm done.
All right.
Look at him. Look at him.
Mm-hmm.
Look at the blue thing.
So you see that blue thing?
Yeah.
On the bottom of that, you're going to put some hot glue. But it's very hot, so you have to be careful, okay?
It's hot.
So look. Hold here. And you're going to push this trigger so you can put the hot glue onto the blue part. I'll help you, okay? All right. Ready? Push it.
Mommy, how to put
Push.
this on my globe?
Keep pushing. You can do whatever you want to your globe. This is going on Daddy's desk. The kids wanted to make these globes to go on their dad's desk. Go ahead, push it down.
Daddy's lit.
Yeah, it's hot.
It's lit.
I'm blocking your hand so it doesn't touch you.
What is that?
You trust me?
That's a what?
Yeah, that's a lot. Okay. Now you have to stick it, turn it and stick it onto there. Push it down hard. Good job.
Mommy, you can go like this.
Whoa!
Mommy,
Push it down some more.
you can help do this a little bit.
Yeah. All right, here you need to glue. Do you want Mama to help you or you got it?
I got it.
Okay. Glue the bottom of yours. Amir, I think yours is good.
Huh?
Should I keep this on?
What? Let me see.
Whoa, that's cool.
It's like water.
Let me see.
Hold on.
Oh, I see him.
You might want to put hot glue on there so it can stay. He can stay on there, and then you put hot glue on the blue
Look,
thing.
Mommy, I'm done.
All right, good. Take all them little extra strands of hot glue off. They're not hot.
It's hot.
It's not hot. It's cool, actually. Look. Grab it. It's fun. Once it dries.
Where did I glue that? Right here.
Yep, but you want to... How about you glue the blue thing on? Because what if he
How
falls
about
off?
this? Is this mine?
So put some hot glue.
But it goes like in.
Yeah, but is it going to stay... When he shakes it, is it going to stay on there? No, I don't think so.
Mommy,
Hmm?
I gotta tell you something.
Okay, tell me. Do you want me to... Is it a secret?
No, it's this.
Okay, tell me.
So, can you open it?
Yeah, we're going to do the ribbons in a second.
Okay.
As soon as Raba's Jake is done drying. So we glued that blue thing on there. I don't know, Amir. I don't think it's going to stick.
Mommy?
Let's give it a minute to dry, but...
Mommy. It's funny.
It's funny. Are you putting your headband on a tree?
Yeah.
I mean, it's not going to stick. So do you need that on there? Okay.
It's not gonna stick.
So you do want to glue the bottom of the green, and then you want to stick it onto that, okay? Do you want me to do it?
Is this hot?
It shouldn't be hot, no.
Oh.
That's satisfying. Dropped on my leg.
We have to put a little bit of water in here, and then add a little bit
I
of...
got the water.
Here.
Baby oil.
And add a little bit of baby oil. Ooh, leave your water over here away from the plug.
With this book?
Turn your chair, move over next to your sister.
That might have been too much. Stop.
Here. She got hot glue, don't mess with her. Open the water.
I got it.
You're gonna pour the water in here. Just a little bit. A little bit more. You got a lot of snow in your globe. All right, that's good. Do you want to see how it is without the baby oil?
Yeah.
You want to shake it up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, let's do it.
Go ahead and give it a shake, shake, shake.
Whoa.
Whoa. Yeah, I think we need to put some baby oil in there. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got
How's yours coming, Mara? You push down? Get all the little hairsies off of there?
It's super satisfying.
Okay. All right, baby oil. Can mommy pour the baby oil? You got it.
I got it.
Okay, just a little bit.
I got it.
Okay. All right. That's good. Let's shake it and see. Just go and shake and see how you like it.
That thing ain't coming off.
Oh.
You like that?
Yeah. How about this?
Mommy, it's done.
Wait.
Okay. You know what you gotta do now? I say add a little tiny bit more. Just a little bit.
So I water mine.
Yes, you
Mommy,
have some water.
Why I do got ears?
Because you're a little reindeer. Okay.
Reindeer.
Stick Buzz Lightyear in there like that.
Wait, this is a hack. You can just go like that.
Be gentle. Push it in. All right. Put your top on
How much, Mommy?
and twist it.
Tell me when to stop.
We're just gonna eyeball it. Keep on. Keep on.
Done.
Keep on. I mean, I pour, honey. I mean, I pour the water. That's good.
Mommy.
Okay. Shake yours up. Let's see how it looks.
I need the baby oil. Tell me when to
Dun dun
stop.
dun. Dun dun dun. There's more baby oil.
That should be good.
And like this.
That looks so cool. Shake it and see how you like it. To see if you want to add more water or more snow or more baby oil. Shake it first.
I want more baby oil.
Yours is done. You just have to add your ribbon on there. You want to add this blue ribbon around it?
Yeah.
Okay, give us a second.
Like that.
What do you think, Amara?
I think it needs a little more baby oil.
Baby oil? Okay. Let's get a napkin to wipe your station.
Wait, Mama, wait. Stop.
Yeah, snow go right here. Dun 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 dun. How you say it?
I'm just
Dun 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. I want more baby oil. Mommy, it's so cool.
You like it? I think it looks cool too. It looks amazing. Did you put more snow in yours? I knew you would.
a little bit.
I want more baby oil. I think I need more baby oil. Mommy, we need baby oil.
Can I see
I don't
the
think
hot
you need
glue
any
gun?
more baby oil.
Can I see the hot glue gun?
Yes. First, here. Amira, you ready to add your ribbon?
Yeah. What's the ribbon?
This is ribbon. What color is your ribbon?
Blue.
Don't touch it. Don't.
Okay, where do you want to add your ribbon at? Around here like this?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got it. I got it.
Hold on, I gotta add a little hot glue. When your sister is done, I'm gonna add some hot glue right here, okay?
Okay.
Then I'll let you wrap it around, actually let you do like this.
Oh,
You can use it. I just need this.
he just fell down.
Yeah, he's okay.
No. Don't touch it.
What about yours?
I'm about to not glue.
It's splash. I want to use that one.
Get that snow mirror so it doesn't fall.
Okay.
All right, Mary, you gotta wrap it around and let me know when you're ready for hot glue. Wrap it around. does. Let's see. Tell me when you're ready.
I'm ready. No.
Okay. All right, let me see.
Mommy, it's doing it again. Where's it doing?
Your chair?
No. Mommy, you got that hat on.
He's right there.
Mama, I got the
Super
best.
cool.
I'm the best. I'm the best.
I'm the best.
So I got glasses and a stove globe. And you stop it.
You stole my glasses.
No, you got gray. Suck.
Are you done?
Well, I got. Is this like we can find it right here?
You want to show everybody up close?
Yeah.
It's hard to see because it's snowing in there. Are you done with yours? I think it looks great. Amara's still decorating hers. Okay, are you done? You want to leave the video? Okay, so what do you tell everybody?
Bye, everybody.
There we go. So this is mine. It has a fire that says lit. And right here it has the F for our last name. I got some of this, some ribbon. Then Jake is in there. And I got some baby oil in there. And some water and some snow, some face snow. So, and this is my baby brothers. I'm gonna try to make some of the snow go on. He's like, ah, help me. Don't you see it? Don't you see that? He's like saying, help me. It's like the Dora Explorer, where they're stuck in the sand, quicksand.
Mommy, where's my stove globe? I need my stove globe.
You want to show Daddy?
And make sure you hit that thumbs up button, and make sure you subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification bell. Peace.
No, that's yours. We made that for you.